I'm Tami. So it's Memorial Day weekend and we're out here at Mosquito Lagoon and we're making some cocktails. So I'm going to make a rum punch next. Hope you enjoy this beautiful weather and this beautiful view. Thanks for watching. So we're going to get this rum punch started. In the shaker I have ice. So forgive my glass, I don't have a hurricane glass out here, so we're going to use this margarita glass. It's all I got, and it's plastic, but it's all I have out here camping. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to put some white rum in the shaker, and we're going to use 1 1/4 ounce. And then we're going to do the same thing with the añejo, the dark rum. One 1/4 ounce. Then we're going to do 2 ounces of pineapple juice. One ounce of orange juice. One 1/4 ounce of key lime juice. And you can use regular lime juice if you want, or fresh squeeze, whatever. I like this key lime, it's really sweet and tart and nice. And 1/4 of an ounce of grenadine. Oop, spilled a little on the side. It's a casualty. All right. We are going to shake this up. I have to be careful with the shaker because it does leak. Again, camping, so just make do with what we have. It's all about making do with what you have and just having a good drink, right? All right, shaking it up. And then I'm going to use the same ice I already have in here because we have limited ice supply. Ooh, I've made a big mess. And then I do have this drink garnished with some of these, bring this over here, these filthy black cherries, which are really delicious, and a lime. Go. There we go. And that is just rum punch. We are ready to give it a try. This is the best part. I get to drink all this stuff. It's so good. That is so delicious. So this is refreshing. It's light. It's fruity, but it's not too sweet. You can drink it on a hot summer day. You won't, like a lot of drinks are too sweet. You can't drink them when it's real hot because you get too thirsty. This is great. It's refreshing. Cheers. Thanks for watching.